Hi everyone, my name is Timmy McCabe. This is an instructional video on how to put these bird feeders together for my Eagle Scout project. These are my cousins, Brendan and Rory. They're going to help demonstrate how to put them together. The first thing that you're going to find in the kit is the wood base. Some of them are butterflies, some of them are flowers. It's going to hold the actual feeder in this hole in the middle. The second thing is this metal tin. This tin is going to be what the birds actually eat out of. So that's going to go inside the wooden base. And then you'll find 5 pieces of string at the same length with one smaller piece. And then stickers and paint to color and make the bird feeder look nice. Step 1 is decorate and paint the wooden base. Yes. It's not gonna have sound, but
But your stickers are so big.
Step 2 is gonna be putting the 5 string to the 5 holes. As you can see at the bottom of each one of these, we tied a knot so that when they come through, the strings stick. This side, right in there. Here, pull it through. Yeah, yours is definitely still a little wet. Okay, grab another one.
It's like this.
This end through the bottom. Put it through the bottom.
So is this good?
Yours is good, yes. See the little hole?
Yeah.
It's like you're like a brainstorm food. It's almost there. Get it through. More.
I just made it go out.
I got it. I'll just do it.
One string, one little string, one little string.
Okay.
One string, one. Oh, have it. Fancy.
The third and final step is to take all the strings and bring them up to the top. Make sure that all of them are straight. So what I like to do is pinch them and kind of push down. Make sure that all ends are straight. And then take the small bit of string that was included and tie off the ends with just a normal knot. So it'd be like this. Just like that. So now they should all hang like that.
There. Now it's time to hang up our bird feeders. Yep. Hang them up wherever you want, anywhere in your garden, front yard, or backyard. It can be anywhere. You can hang it anywhere you want. We're gonna hang it in Moya's garden, named after our wonderful dog, that sister named Moya, who had Trisomy 18. Haunting purple and dirty eats. That tastes mine. It's mine. Now we're just gonna hope that doesn't eat it.
Yeah.
The places we decided to put ours. This is Timmy's. This is Rory's. And this is mine. I'm Rory. That's Timmy. That's Brendan.
Thank you for being part of my project. I hope you enjoy the kits and find a good place to hang your bird feeder.
Good luck.
Nice.